Now, I know many people will be asking why this course and who is this course actually for. So, let's talk about the course introduction, right? So, this course has requirements, who the course is for, and how the course is being prepared. This course has a requirement. The requirement of this course is to have yourself a computer and an internet connection. Just as you can see on the screen, a computer and an internet connection is required for this course. Who is this course for? This course is for anyone who wants to learn something new. So in this case, if you know other languages like Java, Node.js, any other language you feel like you know, and you want to learn a new language in addition to this, then this course suits you up. Now let's see what this course format entails with. Now this course has a format of video form. This course is formatted in a video form. So everything the course contains has been restructured and reconstructed in a form of video form so that you will get the videos, you watch it at your own time, your free time. You take some notes. If you don't really understand anything, just give it a playback and you're good to go. This is what you need to get started with this course. And as usual, this is the introduction to the course. Let's meet on our next video where we talk about what programming is. Until then, have a nice day.